Welcome back to French Lesson with David. Today we will count from 1 to 100 in the French language. So, before we start, you have to repeat anything that I say in this lesson so that you will get used with the tongue twisting. So, let's get started with the number 1. 1 is un. 2 is deux. 3 is trois. 4 is quatre. 5, 5. 6 is six. 7 is sept. 8 is huit. 9 is neuf. 10 is dix. 10. From 10 now is 11. 11 we have 11. 12 is douze. 13 is treize. 14 is quatorze. 15 is quinze. 16 is seize. 17 is dix-sept. 18 is dix-huit. 19 is dix-neuf. While 20 is vingt. Now from 20 is easy. You know that 20 is vingt. 21, just like in English, we have 20 and the 1 to make it 21. So for 21 in the French language is vingt-un. Just like in English, we have 21, so vingt-un. 22, vingt-deux. You see, you have your 20, which is vingt, and the deux come together to do the 20. To do the vingt-deux. 23, you take vingt-trois. 24, vingt-quatre. 25, vingt-cinq. 26, vingt-six. 27, vingt-sept. 28 and 29 is for you. Write it and leave it in the comment section. We'll see whether you got it right. So now for 30. 30 is trente. It's the same thing, just like 21, 22, 23. You will have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, so on. Till you reach 39. From 39 now we have 40, which is 40. 40 is 40. So you still take the same process. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and you come to 50. So from 50 is still the same thing until you reach 60. 60 is still the same thing. Now when you come now to 70, the 70, that's where it's complicated. Instead of, in English we take 70, now we will have to go to 70. Yes, that's a lot complicated. It's not the same as the others we did. So now you have 70. So you will take it from 11 now. You will see 71 for 71, 72 for 72, 73 for 73, 74, 74, which is 74. Go on to 75, 75, 75, 75. We have 76, 76, 76, 77, 77, 77, 77. Repeat it, please. 77, 77, 77. Now 78, 78, 78, 79, 79, 79. 80 now, you come back to 80. That's 4, 20. 80. It's funny, right? 80. You go to 81 for 81, 82 for 82, so on until you reach 89. From 89 again it changes. It becomes 90. From 90 you take it as 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 99, and you reach 100, which is 100. So this is basically how you count numbers from 1 to 100 in the French language.